Hello everyone. You are going to be learning about elements and compounds. How are they the same and how are they different? You will be using several things. Google Classroom, you will be using other resources on a Google form. To this page in Google Classroom, and if you click on where it says Google Form Learning for Elements and Compounds, please. Work is for everybody who is either been to Gateway or is not going to Gateway. This activity will culminate in you writing well-organized passage explaining the differences between elements and compounds and their similarities, but also you're going to be given some time to complete the entire thing. So your deadline will be Friday, May 11th. Go ahead and fill in your last name, first name, block number, and then immediately go to this question. You know about matter. You know that there's pure substances and impure substances known as mixtures. Which of the following 5 are pure substances? These are wrong. Difference between a compound and an element. An element is a substance made of the same type of atoms, unlike a compound that's made of different elements in different proportions. Or is it this? You tell me. How am I going to find this out, Mr. Walton? Click on the link. Boom. When you click on this link, I strongly encourage you to read this down to about here. That point right there. You do not need to go any further. This comparison chart is very helpful. It tells you the differences between elements on the right, compounds on the left. That web link right there that we were just looking at is going to help us with this question with the check boxes. Check the statements that are only true or true of only elements. Likewise, the other check boxes are true of compounds. That reading will help you achieve stellar success. Right there. Good luck. What do we mean by an atomic number? We'll be looking at this in lots more detail, but every element, lithium being an element, this is its symbol, Li. And all elements have their own atomic number. The atomic number can always be told because it's a whole number. If you see another number that's most likely a decimal, that's its atomic mass. The atomic number is the number of protons and the number of electrons in that element. Protons are positive, electrons are negative, and they are always the same in an element. Answer that question and that question and click next. These questions are like a visual representation of elements, compounds and mixtures. Okay, let's look at elements. Look at that one. Look at that one, the 2 elements. What do you notice? Did you notice that the particles are the exact same thing? There's nothing different. It's one type of particle. Here we have individual atoms. Here we have what are called diatomic molecules. However, oxygen is diatomic. There's 2 of them chemically combined. However, it's still one element. Let's look at compounds now. Thank you, Mickey. This is a compound. This is a compound. What makes these compounds? Well, they're made up of 2 or more substances that are chemically combined. They are bonded together. However, are they pure? Is there anything else physically mixed in with them? No. Therefore, these two here are compounds. So why is this one a mixture? Why is this a mixture? Why is this a mixture? Why is this a mixture? Well, let's have a look. Are they all the same? No, they're not. Are they chemically bonded together? No, they're just sitting around together. Could we separate this mixture? Yes, we could. So this is a mixture. Look, two completely different things here. It's a mixture. Two completely different things. It's a mixture. Three completely different things. It's a mixture. Looks like we have an element, another element, and a compound. It's a mixture. Now answer this question. Diatomic. Di means two. Atomic, atom means atom. So two atoms. Which one is it? Not saying anything about that one. You should know it. All right, this one. This is where we use our knowledge. So there's two here that are elements. Which two? Which one here is a compound? Which one here is a mixture? How can you tell them apart? Think about what we just discussed. Think about what we just talked about. Up here. Are they the same substance? Are they a pure substance? Are they made up of just one element, or are they made up of several elements? Are they chemically bonded, like in a compound, or are they simply physically mixed, like in a mixture?